with 360 and back. And in today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over how to use the iGuide knowledge base to find the answers to your most common questions. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your iGuide editor's account, the one that's been provided to you. And then you're going to go ahead and select on support. That's going to be the very top in the little blue bar here. Select support. You're going to go down to where it says iGuide knowledge base. Go ahead and select this. And then here, the knowledge base has been broken down into 4 different sections: iGuide portal, Stitch software, floor plans and square footage, camera and survey apps. For a lot of my videos, they're all going to be focused on the iGuide portal section, since that's where you're going to be editing a lot of your tours. So once you've selected the iGuide portal, it doesn't matter if you click the 58 or the iGuide, it's the same thing. You're going to go ahead and see that we got a whole bunch of different how-to articles all the way at the bottom, all the way to 6 different pages. So there's a lot of information, and I would highly recommend that you spend just a little bit of time to kind of go through everything. This will give you a good idea of what you can or cannot do, or, tell you things that you may not have known. You also have this toolbar right here at the very top. Here you can go ahead and type in the most common question that you might have. So maybe like, how to lock an iGuide. You would just simply type in locking. And then here it's going to pull up a couple different topics about locking. We want to learn about locking and unlocking iGuide. So we're going to click this. And once we have selected this, it's going to bring us to an article. This article is going to have step-by-step instructions on how to do it exactly, along with a nice little picture on where to click. So these instructions are a very valuable tool to help you kind of do certain things to your tour to make it unique, to make it stand out, or to just make simple edits. So at the beginning of all my other videos, I'm going to have a description on where to type or what to type in this little search bar. That way it'll bring you right to the how-to section. That is going to be it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to give me an email. Thank you. Bye.